run as, tatandaan po natin para mag-open itong Photoshop, right click, then run as administrator, then yes. Ayan. Makikita po natin dito yung kanina na ating tinutukoy. Yan, the image, paano naman po tayo pag mag-i-insert ng image, yan lang po. Open, tapos new, then dito natin makikita kung paano yung name at saka yung width and height and also the resolution of your project.
Mga tools na ginagamit sa Photoshop. Marquee, select an object by drawing a rectangle or an ellipse around it. Click the tool button, choose a rectangular or an elliptical marquee. Drag the marquee over the area of the image you wish to select. Next is move. Use to select and move objects on the page. Click the tool button, then click on any object on the page you wish to move. Lasso. Select an object by drawing a freehand border around it. Click the tool button, drag to draw a freehand border around the area of the image you wish to select. Next is polygonal lasso. Select an object by drawing a straight edge border around it. Click the tool button, click on the starting point on the image. Drag to draw a straight edge border. Click and drag again to select the area of the image you wish to select. Double click to finish. Magnetic lasso. Select an object by drawing a border that snaps on the edges of the defined area of the object. Click on the starting point on the image, drag around the area of the image. The tool will make fastening points at the edges. To finish selecting, drag the border to the starting point and click precisely in the point. Next is Magic Wand. Select all objects in a document with the same or similar fill color, stroke weight, stroke color, opacity, or blending mode. By specifying the color range or tolerance, you can control what the Magic Wand tool selects. Click the tool button, then click on the area of the image you wish to select. Crop tool. Selects and cuts parts of an image. Click the tool button, then click and drag the tool over the part of the image that you want to keep. Resize the selected area, dragging the squares at the sides and corners. Click the return key when your crop box is sized correctly. Next is alliteration tools. First is healing brush. Correct small blemish in the scanned photos. Select the tool, hold down the Alt key and left click on the base color you need to heal. Then left click over the blemish. Next is brush tool. Draw lines of the different thicknesses and colors. Select the tool, then click on the selected area, drag down lines. Use the option bar to change the brush mode, opacity, and flow. Clone stamp. Takes a symbol of an image and applies over another image or a part of the same image. Select the tool, hold down the Alt key, and left click on the certain point of the document where you want to start your copy point. Then put your mouse over whatever part of the new document you want to picture to go to. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse across the page to copy the picture. Next is part history brush. Paints over an image using the source data from a specified history, state, or snapshot. Select the tool, specify the brush, blending mode, opacity, style, area, and tolerance. Erase tool. Remove parts of an existing path or stroke. You can use the erase tools or paths but not on text. Select the tool, click on the part of the image you wish to erase. Drag to erase the pixels. Next is Paint Bucket tool. fills an entire area with a specific color of your choice. Select the tool, choose a foreground color in the 4 box. Select an area you wish to apply the color to. Click the tool button, then click on the selected area. Next is gradient tool. Applies a gradient fill to a selected part of the image or an entire layer. Select an area you wish to apply gradient to. Click the tool button, choose a fill in the option bar. Click on the starting point, hold the mouse down and drag to the end point. Next is blur tool. Blurs the sharp edges of the image. Select an area where you wish to apply the tool. Click the tool button, choose the brush mode and strength. Drag the brush along the edges. Next is dodge tool. Lighten areas in an image. Select the area where you wish to apply the tool. Choose the brush range and exposure. Click the spots you wish to highlight. Drawing and selection tools. First is direct selection tool. Select paths and path segments. Select tool to click anywhere on the path. Type tool. Types text on a page every time you click the type tool. On a new portion of the page, a new layer will be created. Select that tool, click on the page, and begin to type. You can specify the font and size on the option bar. You can also resize the transform the text box by dragging the squares at the sides and corners. Use the move tool to move the text on the page. Next is pen tool. Draw smooth edge paths. Select the tool, click on the page, drag to draw path, click and drag the anchor points to modify path. Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape. Other shapes that are hidden this tool are grounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. Select the tool, click and drag on the page to draw a shape. The shape will be automatically filled with the current foreground color. Next is assisting tools. First, notes tool serves as a comment. Notes tool serve as a comment feature usually used for electronic text edits. Select the tool, click on the spot on the page where you wish to make a comment. Type in the text box. Next is eyedropper tool. Takes color sample from colors on the page and displays them in the color box. Select the tool. Click on the color in the image you wish to sample. The color box will display this color. Hand tool. Allow you to move around within the image. Select the tool, click on the spot on the page, hold the mouse button down, drag to move in area. Magnifying glass tools. Magnifies or reduce the display of any area in the image window. Select the tool, choose the zoom in and zoom out in the option bar. Click on the area of the image you wish to magnify or reduce.
So, paano nga ba magtatanggal ng background sa Photoshop? So, this is the example of how to remove the background to Photoshop.